We're going to clean, guys. We're just doing a quick little intro.
Just getting pictures for thumbnails.
You want to subscribe today? No! We haven't finished yet. They say that at the
Here, what are you guys going to be doing?
Today we're going to clean the hamster cage.
Ew!
It's gross, yeah, but we have to take care of him. We have to take care of the animal. That's our responsibility. We gotta take the hamster out so we can clean without them biting us.
All right.
Let's go.
This is going to be fun. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next slide.
Let's go. There he is. There he is.
I am here. Daddy's here. What are we doing today, guys?
We're trying to get the hamsters out of the cage.
I can do this easy.
You gotta take this off.
Hold on. Really? That's how you do it?
Silly.
I still can't. You know what, guys?
I can do it.
I think we need a little help from Mommy. What do you guys
I
think?
did it already.
Well, let's ask for Mommy's help, too.
Okay.
Let's do it. Mom! Where are you? We need some help! It's taking her so long, guys. Is she coming?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey
there she
guys,
is.
I heard you needed some help.
Yeah, we need a little help with
to
this.
open this. Can you help me to open this?
Which one are we opening? Both
This
or just one?
Yeah, let's open both. Let's
Okay.
just get them out of here.
Okay, do you know how to unhook the hose?
Yeah.
Lift with your might.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
We did it, guys.
We gotta take this
Don't
off.
forget the water. They love it.
I can't take this part off.
Wait, don't take that off yet.
It's hard. Can I take him out?
Just a second, okay?
Okay.
Wow.
We're gonna go let you down.
Wow. Where's yours, Amelia?
It's in there. It's a log.
Is it hiding?
Yeah.
I knew it. I
We
knew
gotta
it.
use that.
All right, Mommy's gonna
All
direct
right.
you guys a little bit. Get a towel.
Let's see.
Let's open it.
Just a second. Just a Amelia, let's get this top off so we can get your hamster out,
Yeah,
okay?
in that log. Where's the kite? Yes, guys. They're really easy to hold.
See that? He has skills.
Guys, we're not going to tell you the secret, but we're going to get you a hint. It's a hamster corn.
Oh my gosh, I
We
know.
can't even see that, man.
It is hamster corn. It is
That
hamster
is cool.
corn. And we will show them on here. If you guys look right here, you can see what the you're gonna see what the trick is gonna be about. So, guys, if you see the secret, you guys are only gonna know what it's gonna be.
Okay. Let's go ahead and put our hamsters back in if you're ready. Go get your
Adrian,
hamsters.
can I see that? And here we have it, guys. The final product.
Amelia, why did you do that?
I'm holding him down. She's not treating her hamster with respect. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Gross.
Say hey guys.
Let's look at your hamster.
And don't get too close. Daddy won't be able to see him.
Do you see my hamster, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's put them in their house and see if they're excited. Ready?
He just went straight inside. Like, he's not even excited. Like, I put him right here and he's like, I'm going straight to my house. Oh, Mommy, see, he's getting out.
I see him. Close the
Yeah,
lid
that
for
one
him.
always stays locked.
Can I throw the poop away?
Yeah, go rinse that out in the sink.
Okay.
And there we are. Our nice home. I feel great. That's what they're saying. Ah, clean. Amazing.
Can't wait to pee all over the place.
Can't wait to poo-poo all over the place. Well, guys, looks like we lost the 80s squad. But 40 Life Dad is here to let you guys know. Have a fantastic day. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. Have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye. Who's gonna win?
Oh, we're off. Hammer can't even keep up with him. He's moving nice and slow, but he's going to get to where he's going. He said, I'm out of here. He is about to hit me. He's going to hit me. Oh, goodness gracious. Where's the other one? He's still at the starting line. Hey, what are you doing? You're cheating. You can't push him. Are you going to move there, fella? Nope. All right, guys. 40 Life Dad here. Didn't think we was going to forget you guys, did you? If this thing can focus. That is corn. Isn't that crazy? For your hamster. Amazing. Let's go ahead and pop this thing in and let's see the results. Guys, look at that. I know the lighting's not good in here, guys, but this is their closet. This is where we keep the hamsters. Shh. Don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Just kidding. That's the popcorn. It's been genetically modified for hamsters, guys. Just kidding. So cool. Now let's give it to these guys. Instant. They found that popcorn quick.
There's so much.
Like, they're like.
Look at him. He put his big old hamster butt inside of that thing.
They're like.
We gave him the big one, the whole kernel on that thing.
Why did you get him the kernel?
The whole cob. They gave him the cob.
Why?
Because his cage is bigger, so he has more room for it.
I was about to say he has more.